At St. Rose and Anthem, this week brought quiet but meaningful progress. Smooth concrete now anchors the next phase of the build, poured with intention and care. Crews worked closely lifting beams into place, studying blueprints, and turning plans into action with steady hands and shared purpose. Just above the roofline, the steeple base begins to rise. Early but already symbolic. The structure is incomplete, but the purpose behind it is already taking shape. Every moment on this site is a step toward something sacred.